Alright, we are now going to draw part 2, the stack, which is this shape right here. And to do that, first we want to figure out how we want to draw it. I am going to do a revolve. So I'm basically going to draw this shaded part right here and then do a revolve around it. So, to do that, I want to draw on this plane right here, XY plane. And I'm going to do a line. And I'm going to just kind of go through and do a rough shape and then go back and dimension it. Alright, now that I have the rough shape, I am going to go through and dimension it. So the whole thing is 1.75 tall. So I'm going to hit constraint dimension. There we go. And this should be 1.75. And then sorry. Alright, so that's 1.75. And then this top outer circle right here has a, well, I don't know what it has. I do know this right here is a 15-degree angle, and I know this has a diameter of 1.25. So that means that when I click here and here, that should be 1.25 divided by 2, because I just want the radius. And down here it has a diameter of 0.5, which means that we have a radius of 0.25. And then from here to here is 1.5. And from here and that should be 0.25. Alright, and then the only little bit I have left is that 15-degree angle. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to draw a line from this point that is making a perfect 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to do a dimension from here to here and move it off at an angle, and that should be 15 degrees. And there we have that dimensioned. I'm now going to finish the sketch. And I am then going to use revolve. Once again, you just sort of work down the menu lines. This is the profile I want to revolve. And the next thing we do is select the axis I want to revolve around, which I want to revolve around this one right here. And I want to do a full 360 revolve. So I am now done. The next thing I need to do is place the hole, and I'm going to do it concentric, this plane, that circle, and then this one is counterboard, and it has a total dimension of 0.375, and it goes a total depth of 1.5, and then the counterbore has a dimension of 0.875, and that goes a depth of 0.375. Okay. And there is my smokestack. And I'm now just gonna put it in the correct material, which is ABS plastic. And I'm going to select the whole thing and make it black. Alright, and then you can see there's the hole. And there it is. Oops, but I really don't want a point at the bottom of it. It should be flat, so I'm going to reopen up my hole feature. And make the drill point flat. And now it is correct.